Okay, here we go. Annika Island Resort Beach Access. Where is everybody? Nobody's around here. This is kind of nice. Another group of people, that's about it. Wow, water's so calm. So soft. So blue. Super nice. Yeah. Beautiful. This is it. That's what we fly all this way for. Pay the big bucks. This is it. Hello. So friendly. Some boats behind me. Port's right in front of me, actually. Very close. 3 minutes away from the port. Looks like they got some speakers out here on the beach. Some pretty cool bungalows right here. Guys, this is it right here. This is the quality I've been waiting for here. So nice. Alright, I'm gonna get in the water. Make sure I put some sunblock on because I am gonna get tore up if I stay out here too long. Gotta order some drinks and find some shade. See y'all. Bye.